Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do the hook which I did before in the other programs. So let's start with the sketch. Maybe on the front plane. I need a circle. Diameter should be 17. Another circle. Diameter should be 45. Then another circle. And it should have a diameter of 300. Okay, another circle over here. Diameter should be 8, and there should be a tangency between these two. Okay, there should be a distance between this point and that one, and this should be 40. Then I need another circle. And this one should be tangent to this one. And there should be another tangency between this one and that one. Now I could trim. I want to trim this, that one, this, that, this one, and that one. Then I need a rectangle. Which should be this should be 14. This should be 14, and this should be 10, and I could put this for construction only. Trim again. So I think I could delete this. Yeah. Okay. First sketch. I need some more. So we go for another sketch on this plane. This should be a circle. And it should be and this point should be on that circle, and this point should be on this circle as well. Let's take a look. Now let's put this right on there, and let's just check if it's already aligned. I think it is. No? Now it is. And I have to divide this circle. If I need some lines, 1, 2, and a third one. Nope. This should be like this, and this line should be vertical aligned. Yeah. Then I would need a rectangular constraint here and an angle over here which is 45 degrees. Let's trim. Now let's split this circle into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So go to split, and I want to split right here and there. So this is an element. Let's split once again, right here and right there, and another one, 1, 2. Okay, fine. So let's close this one. Then I need a plane, and this plane should be with an offset to the top plane, and this should be 10. Confirm. And on this plane I will do another sketch over here. It's another circle, and again this point should be on that circle, and this point should be on that circle. That's odd. Let's move him over here. So I think this didn't work, so try it once again. Doesn't work. That's crazy. So I will delete it, and let's take a look from the top. Yeah, because it's not this point. Sorry, my fault. It has to be right up here, of course, up to this point. So this point should be on that circle, and that point should be on that circle. And again, I want to split it, so I need some lines. Then I need a 90-degree angle right here, and the dimension, which should be 45 degrees. Now I could trim. and then I could split so let's split it right here. 1, 2, yes, 1, 2, nope, I missed that point over there, so again 1, 2, and another one, 1, 2, and I could close this sketch as well. So I need another sketch on the right plane, so go for sketch on the right plane, and you know what to sketch plane. I need some circles. Diameter should be 4, another one, diameter should be 4 as well, diameter should be 2, and another one with diameter 2 as well. Okay. Distance should be 5. This should be 4.5. And let's try symmetry. This point and that point should be symmetric to the front plane. Seems it's very slow today at this point and that point. That point should be symmetric to the front plane. Yeah. Same for these two. That point and that point should be symmetric to the front plane as well. Okay. Then I need 2 more circles. One here and another one maybe like this. Make them tangent. Okay, give them dimensions. This one should be 100 and that one should be 200. Then 2 more circles. Diameter should be 40 and another one, diameter should be 40. Now let's move these circles a little bit, maybe like this, and the other one maybe like that, and now give them tangency from this circle to that circle, from this circle to that circle, and on the other side same procedure. Okay, now let's trim. Okay. Let's show the constraints. Yes. Trim, 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 and trim, 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 trim. Trim this circle, that circle, this circle, and that circle. Okay. Now this should be right there. So let's try. Yeah. And the same over here. Very nice, and I'm okay with this sketch. So finish it. Zoom to fit. For my lofts, I have to be able to select these together. And that's kind of a problem, so therefore I have to make 2 more sketches. So we'll do another sketch on the right plane. Take a look, and I will try to get these into my sketch. So there are 2 possibilities, use and intersection. So I go for use, and I want to use this element, that element, and this one. My first sketch, confirm. Then I need another sketch, again on the right plane, and there I want to use this arc, that arc, come on, and this arc, and confirm. And now I should be able to select all the right elements. There's still something missing, but let's check if it works. So go for a loft surface and try to select it. Let's take a look. Yes. So I want this one. Then I want to use this sketch. Yes. And then I want to use this element. Yeah, that works. Nice. What I need now, I need some splines, 3D splines. They are not available in the usual interface, so I went for a feature script and added a feature script with 3D splines to my document. So in order to get 3D splines into your own document, look for this one. It's public. Make a copy, and then you can add this feature script to your own document. And you see, I need some sort of tangency and weighting sketch. So I will do some sort of tangency and weighting sketch as next. So I go back to my documents. See, that's the one. I made a copy. And go back to my Onshape hook Haken. And I will add the splines and the sketch which is controlling the splines, the tangency and the weight of the tangency. So let's check if I can snap on all the necessary points with my spline. So go for this 3D spline, and I can snap this point, this one, that one. Oh, this one doesn't work. This would work. This would work. Yeah, yes, no, yes, no, yes. So I will make 2 more sketches just to make sure I can snap on these points. So let's make a sketch on that plane, on the top plane, and I want to use this arc. Confirm. And another sketch on this work plane, and I want to use this arc right here, and confirm. So that's sketch 8, sketch 7, sketch 1, 2, 3. And I think I will need 2 more because I have to take this. Yeah, I will make 2 more sketches, one on this plane, and I want to use, let's check, this line and that arc. Confirm. And another one on the same plane, and I want to use this line and that arc, and confirm. Now I should be able to select all the necessary points. So let's try. Maybe hide this one and that one for the moment. Okay. And 3D spline from this point to that one. Nope. Didn't snap on it. Today it's very slow. So once again 3D spline from this point, okay, to that point, over to this one. I will take care of the tangent conditions later. Confirm this and show them once again. Another 3D spline from this point to that one to this one, and confirm. So let's show the sketches. I need another 3D spline from this point to that one, over to this one. Confirm. And the last one from this point to that point, up to this one, and confirm. Okay, now I need to make a control sketch for the splines, because right now they are not going normal to the profile, and I want them to start and end normal to the profile. Okay, so I will need 2 sketches, because I have at least 2 sketches, maybe 4 sketches or 4 lines in one sketch. That should do the trick, because I need the direction, the tangent direction is for all these the same, but the strength of the tangency, or the tension or the weight of this tangency, is different for these 4 splines on every end. So I would need 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 sketches or 4 lines in one sketch. So I will do my sketch in right on this plane. Yeah, sketch. and I need 4 lines. So one. Yeah, I could do it like this. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's remove this one and that one and this line, and I could make them symmetric. Yeah, that's the idea. So make this point and that point symmetric to that plane, this one and that one symmetric, this one and that one symmetric, and this one and that one symmetric as well. Okay, now I should be able to move this. Oh, they're all connected. Great. So show the constraints. I don't want this one. I don't want that one and that one. Now it should be possible to, yeah. So I will take 4 different lengths. And this should somehow work, and I could always change these. But the sketch should be before the splines, because I want to edit the splines. So I will move this up over here. And now I can go to my splines and try to control them. So go to spline 1, and the start tangent should be, I should go maybe for this one. Yeah, that's okay somehow. And the end tangent should be, no, let's go for this one. Yeah, that's more like it, or even I could go for the big one. Oh, let's check. And tangent might be this. Yeah, okay. So I took this one and that one. Confirm. And this has to be the same for this spline. So start tangent should be, oh, just show the sketch. Let's take a look. No. So go for that line. Yep. End tangent should be this one. Turn it around. Yes. And confirm. And for spline 3, I will go for start tangent, maybe the small one, or the same. Yeah, maybe the same. And right here I will go for this one. Turn it around. Yeah, it's okay. Confirm and go to spline 4. Start tangent this one and end tangent that one. Turn it around. Yeah, and confirm. And now I could change the splines by editing the sketches or the sketch lines, but I think I will go for this solution. So let's hide this one and maybe hide all the planes as well. And now I can start to do my lofts. Okay. So go for loft, surface, and first should be this profile, that profile, and that's a sketch. You have to select the sketch, otherwise you will get only one of these, and this should be sketch 5. Yeah. Next one is this. Great. And I want to go for guides. So one guide is this, other one is that one, and that was a sketch right here, so it's not this one, that's sketch 9. Yes, looks good, and confirm. Next, loft, surface, this profile, and this was sketch 6. Sketch 6. And this arc right here. Okay. Go for the guides. One guide, second guide, and the third guide is sketch 10 here. And confirm. Okay. Now you could do the loft with these 2 as profiles, or with these 3 as profile. Take note, this could result in different surfaces, so you could try both versions and see what fits your purposes better. So this loft in Onshape has not as many options as, for example, the loft or multi-section surface in CATIA or in NX. So you could try to use this whole surface as a profile, but that's no good. But I could do it in this direction. But you could only go for the end conditions or for the guides. You cannot use guides and end conditions. So yeah, I will go for one solution and you could check the other ones. So let's go for a loft, surface, and use this spline, and there should be a spline somewhere. No, not this one, but let's show all the splines. So that's the spline, yes, and uses guides, this arc, that arc, and this arc. Confirm. Turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. So no, not this one. Yeah. Go for another loft, surface, and use, no, not this edge, but the spline, and spline, and uses guides, this arc, that arc and this arc and confirm. Yeah, now I could unite my surfaces, so go for Boolean operation. Where is it? There it is, because stitch is not available. So let's try this surface, make a union. That's not possible. Okay, so I should add some thickness and then I could unite them, but first I have to go for this loft on that side over here. So I need a sketch on the front plane, sketch right here. I want to use this point, that point, come on, that point and that arc, and I need a line from this point to that point. Confirm. Now I make a plane with an angle. That's the line, and the angle should be 90 degrees. Confirm. Now I want to make a sketch right on this plane. Nope. Sketch on that plane. This would be a circle. And this should be through that point and through this point. Yeah. Confirm. And now let's make a loft, surface loft again, and this should use a circle here. Yeah, therefore I would need a circle, a sketch with a circle, but with a full circle. Yeah, so I will need another sketch on the top plane, and there I would use edge, 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 edge. Confirm. And now I could do a loft surface with the last sketch and the sketch before. This doesn't help, but I could give it, of course, the guides. One guide, second guide. Looks good. Or you could go for end conditions, but I will use the guides because I cannot use them both. And confirm. Now I need to patch this one, and I think there is no patch command because there's only transform, modify fillet, delete face, move face, replace face. So I would try to make sort of a loft, or yeah, I think I will go for a simpler solution. I will make a revolve. So let's do a sketch on that plane. I need a profile, and therefore I will use these 3 edge segments. Confirm. Now let's make a revolve with that sketch, and the axis should be this one. It should be surface. So it doesn't work. Let's check. Okay. I want a revolve. Oh, this is so slow today. Really annoying. So go to revolve, make a surface, and it should use this sketch, this profile, and the revolve axis should be this line. Yeah. And I want it not full, but maybe one direction, and make it 180 degrees. Yep. Confirm. And that's it for the surfaces. So now I would have to thicken all these surfaces and then to unite them. So I didn't want to do this. I wanted to hide this plane. Where is it? Hide it. Now I could try to thicken it. Thicken was somewhere over here. Thicken. And maybe only in one direction, 1 millimeter. And I want to thicken this, all these surfaces. So surface 6, surface 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so it changes the direction, so I have to do them separately. Okay, so let's start with surface 1. Go to thicken. That's this surface, and take a look where it 5, not 5, use 1. Okay, that's the inside. Confirm. Next, thicken surface 2. Make it 1 millimeter and change the direction, or use direction 2. Yeah, I could go for both directions with 0.5 millimeter. Yeah, maybe I'll go for that because that's better. So just remove this thicken, and then I could select all surface and hope it works in both directions. So I go for thicken and make this 0.25 in one direction and 0.25 in the other direction. And this might be 0.25. Yep. And select all surfaces 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. And confirm. And now I could do a Boolean operation. Hide the surfaces, they're already hidden, yes. Now I can do a Boolean operation and add all those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and confirm. Takes a while. So it would be nice to have only one color. That's odd again. That's kind of a clowny hook, but I will stop right now because it's already a very long video. So I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And don't ask me for more of this in Onshape. Yes, please. But you can give it a like anyway, and see you to the next one. Bye bye.